Welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. This is my project for today. I'm standing in my bedroom and I already started to freshen up the room for the warmer months. And I hadn't planned on sharing this video, but I said, why not? So I've already stripped down the bed, I put down my rug, and I have moved the dresser. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and finish up with cleaning and decorating the room. For those of you who are watching, I'm at a standstill. I have a dilemma. I need to reupholster my headboard. As you can see, the bonded leather is starting to peel. But I don't know what type of fabric or what color. I'm leaning toward a linen fabric in the ivory cream color. Let me know what you think. Should it be linen, velvet, or should I go back with the bonded leather? Let me know in the comment section. Also, I was thinking about taking away the posts that are at the foot of the bed. I don't want to cut it all the way down, but just down enough so that it's not high at the bottom. I've had the bed since 2006 and it does have a canopy, but I'm never ever going to use the canopy. It's still in the box. So this is why I want to get rid of the posts. Again, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? How can I redesign this bed? Now that my bed is done, I decided to move the two chairs in front of the bed. I'm going to add an accent table in the middle. Before I do that, let me show you the bench that was at the foot of the bed and the chairs which were on the opposite wall. Let me know, which one do you like best? I'm just going to add the small table between the two chairs. For all of my subby family, I was thinking of taking furniture redesign to another level. I really want to start a channel just for furniture redesign. Now, I'll keep Mary's creative decor, but just have a second channel. Now, this will give you guys a chance to tune in and let me know what you think. So please help me out and let me know what you think. While I'm cleaning the dresser, I want to show you where it was before. It was sitting by the patio door. Because I use the door in the warmer months going out on the patio, I decided to move the heavy piece of furniture and put something smaller to keep it out of the doorway. Time to move my crafting tables, but guess what? They're going to come right back in the room in the corner because I use them frequently. I'm a little out of focus. I'm just hanging hooks to add a picture to the wall. Now that I've cleaned this area, I am ready to move my fireplace and TV back to the door area. And of course, now that the weather is warm, my husband has already put the air conditioning unit in this bedroom window. All the cleaning has been done and the room is ready for the warm weather. It turned out absolutely beautiful. I have all my fur pillows on in the white color. I have my pillowcase on the pillow I sleep on. The only thing is you can see that nasty scar on the bed. I added the red roses to the side tables, and the other side mirrors it. I did go ahead and change the throw at the foot of the bed, and as you can see, I haven't decided what to do with one of my favorite pillows. I added a DIY to the wall. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description box. I added the red flowers to the dresser as well. To let you know, I did not go out to purchase anything for this bedroom refresh. I pulled items from throughout my home to refresh my master bedroom. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I took away the dark teal rug and added a creamy gray light color rug to the floor. I also added the runner in front of the fireplace. I then carried the teal and white theme to the bathroom. I didn't have much to change in the bathroom. I added a white plush rug to the floor. It is so soft when you step on it. I then took away all the gold towels that was hanging in the bathroom, leaving just the teal, gray, and white, matching the gray walls. I then changed my shower curtain and window curtain to white. I did keep the teal and white plastic liner behind the curtain. And that's pretty much all I did to the bathroom. On my dresser, I didn't do very much. I have 2 trays, one gold on one side and teal on the other side, or turquoise. And I added the red roses to a turquoise vase atop 2 books on top of the dresser. Atop my small table, I have a tray that was a DIY, a candle, a small plant, that's my little penny container, a couple coasters, a place for my water bottle. So if you're out there watching and you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. You want to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll be aware of all of my upcoming videos. I do upload videos every Wednesday morning. I want to say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.